In today's digital age, small businesses are increasingly becoming targets for cyber attacks. Limited resources and a lack of dedicated information technology staff can make them vulnerable, but with the right strategies, small business owners can effectively protect their digital assets. This guide offers practical cybersecurity tips, specifically tailored for small businesses in 2024. Number 1. Secure password practices. Strong passwords are crucial for preventing unauthorized access. I will discuss it in 3 points. 1. Use strong and unique passwords. Encourage the use of strong passwords that include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid easily guessable passwords like 123456 or password. Implement a policy that requires employees to use unique passwords for different accounts and systems. Reusing passwords across multiple platforms increases the risk of a breach. 2. Implement multi-factor authentication. Implement multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide 2 or more verification methods. This could include something they know, a password, something they have, a phone or hardware token, or something they are, fingerprint or facial recognition. Implementing multi-factor authentication significantly reduces the chances of unauthorized access, even if a password is compromised. 3. Use a password manager. Password managers can generate, store, and autofill complex passwords for your employees, reducing the risk of weak or reused passwords. They also help keep passwords secure and accessible only to authorized users. Number 2. Employee training and awareness. Employee training and awareness is very necessary. I'm dividing it into 3 points. 1. Regular cybersecurity training. Conduct regular cybersecurity training sessions to educate employees about the latest threats, such as phishing, ransomware, and social engineering attacks. Ensure they know how to recognize suspicious emails and what to do if they encounter one. Emphasize the importance of cybersecurity best practices, such as not sharing passwords, securing devices, and reporting any potential security incidents immediately. 2. Create a cybersecurity policy. Develop a clear and concise cybersecurity policy that outlines acceptable use of company devices, internet, and data. Ensure all employees understand and adhere to these guidelines. Regularly update the policy to reflect new threats and technologies, and involve employees in the process to keep them engaged and aware. 3. Simulate phishing attacks. Periodically simulate phishing attacks to test employees' ability to recognize and respond to them. This can help identify areas where additional training is needed and reinforce the importance of vigilance. Number 3. Affordable security tools. The usage of security tools in business is very effective. Let's discuss it in 4 ways. 1. Invest in antivirus and anti-malware software. Use reputable antivirus and anti-malware software to protect your business from common threats like viruses, spyware, and ransomware. Many affordable solutions are available that cater specifically to small businesses. Ensure that this software is kept up to date with the latest definitions and updates to protect against new threats. 2. Use a firewall. A firewall acts as the first line of defense against external threats, filtering traffic and blocking unauthorized access to your network. Even a basic firewall can provide essential protection for small businesses. Consider using a firewall with built-in intrusion detection and prevention systems for added security. 3. Secure your Wi-Fi network. Ensure your business Wi-Fi network is encrypted using WPA3, the latest and most secure wireless encryption standard. Avoid using older protocols like WEP, which are vulnerable to attacks. Set up a separate guest network for customers or visitors, keeping it isolated from your main business network to prevent unauthorized access. 4. Regular data backups. Implement a regular backup schedule to protect your data from loss due to cyber attacks, hardware failures, or accidental deletions. Store backups in multiple locations, including off-site or in the cloud, to ensure they remain safe. Test your backup and recovery processes periodically to ensure that data can be restored quickly in the event of a breach or other disaster. Number 4. Keep software and systems updated. System and software updates have a very crucial role in business. I will discuss them in 3 points. 1. Regular software updates. Ensure all software, including operating systems, applications, and plugins, is regularly updated to patch security vulnerabilities. Enable automatic updates whenever possible to reduce the risk of missing critical patches. Pay special attention to web browsers, which are often targeted by attackers. Keeping them up to date is essential for protecting against browser-based exploits. 2. Secure remote work tools. With the rise of remote work, it's crucial to secure tools like video conferencing software, virtual private networks, and collaboration platforms. Use encrypted connections and ensure employees follow best practices for securing their home networks. 3. Inventory and secure Internet of Things devices. Internet of Things devices can be an entry point for attackers if not properly secured. Maintain an inventory of all Internet of Things devices connected to your network and ensure they are regularly updated and use strong authentication. Cybersecurity doesn't have to be expensive or complicated, but it does require vigilance and a proactive approach. By following these essential tips, small business owners can significantly reduce their risk of falling victim to cyber attacks in 2024. Prioritizing security will not only protect your business, but also build trust with your customers and partners. Subscribe to Adaptivids for more insights into the latest trends and innovations in cybersecurity and technology.